Hey everybody, it's Isaac at Mallard Motors, home of the $100 credit challenge, where if we can't get your credit approved for a new auto loan, we give you $100 in cash. Today we got a fresh new ride here. This is a 2020 Toyota Corolla. It's only got 38,000 miles on it. Just put some fresh new rims on it. This thing gets probably a little over 40 miles a gallon on the highway. Still under factory powertrain warranty. It's a Carfax one owner. These rims are brand new. Just put them on yesterday. Tires got decent tread on them. Sharp looking car. Got all the features of the new 2020 Corolla. Let's take a look inside at what some of those are. Of course, we got our standard power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Got cloth interior. Cloth is in good shape, no rips, tears, anything like that. Let's go ahead and start it up. As you can see here in a second, there will be no warning lights on. All right, one of the features there, you see the park lights on. It puts the parking brake on whenever you're in park so that you don't roll away. You can see down in the lower right hand corner there that it lets you know if the seat belts in the back are on. It's also got, you can see up here, the in-lane guidance system. So if you start to drift, it'll notify you and do a little bit of an auto correction. You can turn that on and off right here. Of course, you got your cruise control, your early collision detection warning system. So if you get too close to something, it'll let you know. It also has adaptive cruise control. So if you're on the interstate, for instance, and you're in cruise control and the car in front of you slows down a little bit, it'll automatically slow your cruise control down to match them. Over here, we got some of our Bluetooth features. Got a really nice, I think that's about a 10-inch screen here in the center of the car. Really great when you have the backup camera going. You also got all kinds of other radio and phone options. The navigation is not a part of this vehicle, but here you go. You got all kinds of your Bluetooth and other apps here. Down here, of course, you got your standard heat and air control. It is automatic. You got nice cup holders there. Little charging station in there. Let's go ahead and pop the trunk and pop the hood. Three full seats, seat belts in the back here. Or that center console will fold down with a couple of cup holders if you only have 4 passengers. Rather large trunk space, as you can see. Runs very quietly. I don't know if you can even hear it running right now. It's so quiet. Little stitching on the back seat there. Very nice. It does have the owner's manual and all that. Heat and air work great. Dash is in good shape. Like I said, it's still under powertrain warranty until 60,000 miles. So you've got close to 30,000 miles left on your powertrain. That's your engine, transmission, etc. As you can see, engine's very clean. Hasn't been on a dirt road or anything like that. Very sharp and sporty car. Love to get you approved on it. All you got to do is go to mallardmotors.com, fill out the application, and we'll get you approved. Remember, trust the duck.